everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today is a Saturday, and I slept in until about 10:30 today because, there's really no reason. Just because it was a Saturday, honestly, and I don't have a whole lot to do today, so I just figured I'd rest a bit because that's going to be a busier weekend than usual for me. So today is a Saturday, and I just wanted to bring you along, I guess, for like a vlog type video. I don't know how vloggy it's gonna be, to be honest, but I wanted to let you guys know that yesterday I opened my shop back up. It had been on vacation mode for about a month, maybe a little more than a month, because I wasn't selling anything and my printer had died. And because my printer had died, I didn't want anybody buying any stickers or prints because I couldn't print them. And when I say my printer has died, I don't mean it has literally stopped printing. It's just that, the printer gets to a point where it needs to be cleaned and it needs to be finagled with, and it's like a pain in the ass, and it's just it's kind of useless to repair it because it's never going to be the same. It's still gonna be a pain in the butt on some days, and it's not going to be as consistent as it used to be. So it still prints black and white just fine. I just can't print any colors because they're super muted and just not at all the quality I need them to be. And it's been kind of declining for the last 6 months or so. I've just kind of been putting it off, but I was looking at printer prices to see if I could get something similar. I have a very nice printer for the price that it was. It is a bit more expensive than your average office printer. It's a Canon Pixma all-in-one printer. I paid $200 something for it, and I was looking on Amazon, and the ones that I can afford right now just had the crappiest reviews, so I wasn't going to buy a crappy printer if I'm going to be printing product out of it. So I want to get the same printer that I have just because it did last me for so long, and I got compliments all the time on how bright my colors were. People always ask me what printer I used, so I would definitely want to get the same printer because it was very good and it served me very well, and for the price it did last a long time. I just don't personally need a printer in my life right now because I only need to print black and white in my life, so I'm not going to waste my personal money on a printer if I'm not going to turn the revenue, if you know what I mean. So I opened my shop up to see if I'll get any orders, if people will buy any of my pins, my buttons, my sticky notes, so I can invest that money back into a new printer. So that's why I opened my shop back up. If I do not get enough orders to buy a printer, I haven't really thought what I'm going to do yet. I might just buy a new printer anyway, but I don't want to waste my money. It's a real what's the word? I can't think of the word. Maybe I'll insert it right here if I remember what it is. I'm having a total brain fart right now, but yeah, so I don't know what to do. But if you want me to sell stickers again, I would so appreciate it if you could just buy the cheapest thing in my shop, which I think is my pin back buttons. I think they're $1.25. If you could just buy the smallest thing, it would just let me know that you guys are interested and you guys want me to sell stickers again. And by you guys, by me selling stickers again means that I'm making more money, which means I can expand my shop because I want to invest in other products. Kind of similar to my wooden pins, but a little bit different, if you know, maybe catch my drift. So yeah, I really want my shop to blossom again. I really want that to be my full-time job once again. It used to be my full-time job. It used to make me a very healthy income, and it's not making me anything anymore, which is why I had to get a part-time job that I absolutely hate and is slowly actually like killing me physically and mentally. It's just not putting me in a good place at all. So for all you people out there dealing with anxiety and social anxiety, I'm in the same boat. So yeah. But yeah, this vlog is just gonna be pretty chill. I'm going to actually plan in my planner right now for the week, so I'll show you what that looks like right after. I usually just plan on my floor because I feel like I have the most space, because my desk is usually very crowded. And yeah, so I usually have this little handy tool that I was homeschooled, and this was literally my mom's, and she used it for our schooling. So this is like super old and retro. And then these are the washi tapes I decided to go with this week. I know it's not October yet, but we're going to Magic Kingdom this week, and we're going so that my mom can see all the Halloween decorations. My husband and I have already seen them, but since we're going, I decided I would decorate my planner a bit for fall. I think this one is from an Etsy shop, and then this one I think is from the Target dollar spot last year. And then this is my box of stickers. In this bag I have all of the stickers from my shop that I use. And then I have like sticker books from Target and Michael's. These are some old inserts from my TN that I used before I used this little like Buju style thing. And then these are all my stickers from Still Air. I just keep them in their mailer. These are stickers from other Etsy shops from like years ago. I don't really order stickers from Etsy anymore because I don't have the money, so I just use my own. These are from Michael's. So yeah, this is just my big old box of stickers. I used to heavily rely on these sticker books from the Target dollar spot. Then they stopped making them, so I don't really use them anymore. I'm trying to see if I have some holiday stickers. Stack of stickers from last year from the holidays. I think most of them are going to be Christmas, but I do have some fall ones, so probably going to use a little bit of these this week. We'll see how it looks. It might be a total hot mess. Okay, so this is the finished spread. There's a lot more white space over here than I usually have, just because I really don't have a lot going on this week. Like this whole day I literally don't know what we're doing, so it's pretty plain. But I do like this day a lot because we're having breakfast at the Wave, which is at the Contemporary, so I have a perfect sticker for that. And then we're going to the Magic Kingdom, and I just put this little Mickey donut, Space Mountain, and a little Mickey cupcake. So I think that looks really cute. I like how this day turned out a lot. Everything else is just, I'm probably honestly gonna have to fill this in a lot throughout the week, but it's pretty plain, I'm not gonna lie. So, I just did something that I did not think I was going to do today. I ordered myself the new iPhone 11 Pro. I think that's the model. I don't exactly know. I didn't know that my phone was up for an upgrade, but apparently I have my phone through Sprint. Apparently I have this plan where it's like iPhone forever, so after a year of leasing an iPhone, I am already like eligible to get an upgrade. So I literally don't even have to pay anything for this upgrade, and I'm already paying for this phone, and it's literally going to be the same price per month. Wow. Same price per month to pay for this phone as it would be to pay for an upgrade. So I just ordered a brand new iPhone. And pretty much this is the same thing that happened when I got this phone. I had like the iPhone 8. I don't remember which one I had before I had this one, and I was up for upgrade, and I didn't owe anything. Like I didn't need to pay anything. and it was just like, just random and kind of out of nowhere. I think I've had this phone for like a year and a half now. So yeah, I'm getting a new phone, which is pretty exciting. I don't really care about the latest iPhones or anything like that. Like, I don't really keep up to date with it too much, but I was really excited about the camera on the new iPhone because there are 3 cameras on the new iPhone, which means I can vlog on my iPhone. Like, I'm vlogging on my phone right now because my other camera is too difficult to vlog on, because I don't have a screen so I can see what's happening. That was a really bad way of explaining it, but you know what I mean? So I'll be able to vlog with my phone, and it'll be even better quality than it is right now. Hopefully better audio. That's what I'm hoping, because I do not care for the audio on this phone. But yeah, just ordered a new phone. Hopefully it'll come soon. But something I'm even more excited about is I ordered new glasses from Warby Parker, and they shipped today. And I ordered them like 4 days ago, so they put my prescription in so fast, and I cannot wait for them to get here. I wear glasses all the time. I know I never wear them in my vlogs because I'm really bad about wearing glasses when I'm at home, just because I'm nearsighted, so it's distance that I can't see. And I also have pretty bad astigmatism. It's not like super bad or anything, it's just, it's gotten worse. So these are my glasses right now, and these are from Warby Parker, and I get compliments on them all the time. I get compliments on them at work, when we go to Disney. I always get compliments, and these are from Warby Parker. I don't believe they have these anymore because I didn't see them on the website, but they are the Milton, and I adore these glasses. I think they look great on me. So the new pair that I ordered, very similar to these, only the shape is a bit different, just ever so slightly. The shape is a bit different, and the frames are rose gold, and I did not think that I would go for something so trendy. I've loved rose gold for years, and I'm surprised that it's still such a big trend, but I wasn't sure that it was gonna look good on me. But the rose gold with like my skin tone and my red hair color looked so good, and I am so excited to get my glasses, so I'll definitely show you guys when they come. But with that being said, I think I'm actually going to end this vlog here, just because I know I already have a few long clips and I don't want this to be a 20-minute vlog. So yeah, sorry if it was super random and uneventful and boring, honestly, but I just need to get into the habit of filming videos. I didn't have anything worthy of a sit-down video today, so I just challenged myself to film as much as I could out of my really boring day today. So yeah, I hope you guys got some enjoyment out of this. Let me know what you think about my shop reopening. I'd love to know your comments and your questions in the comments. And I really appreciate your support during this time, so I can hopefully get a new printer soon. But yeah, I hope you all are having a wonderful week, and thank you for watching.